Hey guys, it is Keisha here on Keisha Knows Nothing or a Little Bit of Something, and today's video is all about my top cleaning items you can find at Dollar Tree. Do me a solid and make sure you subscribe if you are not a subscriber, and also make sure you thumbs up the video. And hello to all the new subscribers. I'm happy to have you here on this channel. So let's get into it. One thing I have got to mention is, of course, the one and only Comet that you can find at Dollar Tree. And this is a really good size. And this is the 8-ounce container. And I use this every time I clean my tub, you guys. Every time I clean my tub. That's just what I grew up, using, what my mom used. That's what I use. And they also have Ajax, but I usually just gravitate to the Comet. And this is just a powder form of bleach almost. So yeah, it just goes to, it just makes things so much cleaner to me. Cleaning my tub with anything else just does not feel right. So I have to have some Comet. One thing about Dollar Tree is they have new scents of Comet there. They have lavender, they also have a citrus, and then of course they have the regular one. I have not tried the citrus or the lavender. So if you have, comment below, let me know how that went for you. This moisture eliminator. So I mentioned this in the video a few videos back, but yeah, this actually works. And we had one in our spare bedroom in the closet where we thought we were having some moisture issues. And you know what? Within like 4 months, this thing was, all the beads were absorbed. It worked very well. So they also have one that is the charcoal. It has charcoal in it. It has the black lid on it, and it'll say charcoal, and we are using that one currently as well. So these really do work. There's no smell. And of course I have to mention the OG, which is the LA Awesome cleaner. I don't know what happened to my bottle. It's all kinds of messed up, but Dollar Tree. Yeah, these stay on the shelves at Dollar Tree, and they are so good for just an all-purpose cleaner. You could use them as is, or you can dilute it. So it's really up to you, but yeah, it works all over. So they have a couple of different LA Awesome products at Dollar Tree, but the OG is the OG for a reason. And there's a reason why it stays on the shelves there. People love it. It has good ratings or reviews online. So like I said, I have to mention it. I mean, I just can't leave it out. Nail guard sponges from Scrub Buddies. They have a pack of these that are the 6-pack. I usually like to get the 2-pack actually, because I don't know, I like the colors of them. I feel like they're just a little bit better than the 6-pack ones. The 6-pack ones, I think they're just the yellow and green color. So these come in yellow and pink, and as you can see, there are grooves here. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there are grooves here for your nails. So it does protect your nails when you are cleaning. So they have this nice scrubbing side, and they have the regular sponge side. And these are really good, you guys. They work really well. I always have them in my kitchen. So yeah, you can get the 6-pack if you want, but you know, the 2-pack is great as well. And I have to mention the Scrub Buddies 360 Duster. This is pretty much another brand of, or a similar brand to the Febreze duster, I guess it is. Is it Febreze? I don't really remember because all I ever get is this one. So yeah, the Scrub Buddies 360 Duster. And it comes with what you need. We actually have, this will probably be our 3rd one of these. But yeah, it snaps right into place. The wand does. Snaps right into place, and then you just insert your duster on it. And I believe this comes with, yeah, 2 dusters and 1 handle. So that's a good price for $1.25. And these work really, really good at dusting, which is what you buy them for. People also use these duster heads for DIYs. So I haven't used it for that, but hey, this is an option there, you guys, if you are wanting to do DIYs. And I have to mention another OG, and that's the Arm & Hammer baking soda. So I always buy these at Dollar Tree. And these are great for all kinds of things when it comes to cleaning around the house. I mainly use these whenever I am doing laundry, just to freshen up and really clean my clothes. Like, there's just something about using it that I love to do. But yeah, you can also use these for the refrigerator to freshen up your fridge. That's actually what this one is for, but I don't just use it for the fridge. I also, like I said, use it for my laundry. You can also sprinkle these on carpets. You can sprinkle some of these into shoes. This is great to sprinkle into your shoes for sweaty, stinky feet. So this is great for that. They have a couple of different options there. They have the pet care one. They also have one that's lavender scented. They have one that I think is like fresh care or something like that, which is also a different scent. I would say if you are going to use something to sprinkle on your carpet, make sure you have a good vacuum cleaner, because if you don't get it up, it's just going to be there on your carpet, which may not be a bad thing. But if you have kids and you have pets and stuff and they like to roll around on the carpet, you don't really want baking soda just laying around just for the heck of it, you know. So make sure you have a good vacuum that you can use. And of course, if you guys are subscribers, then you know I always mention the trash bags, the small trash bags. Of course, I'm going to mention them. They're kind of a bonus item for this video. But yeah, I love these mini trash bags. We use them in our kitchen and in our bathroom. They have different scents. They have lavender, they have lemon, they have fresh flowers or something like that, like spring flowers, mountain range type scent, outdoorsy scent. But these work really, really well. One thing I will say is try not to overstuff them, because they are a little flimsy, but they do a great job at freshening up your spaces, small spaces especially. These are great for that, and you get a good amount as well. So that was my favorite cleaning items at Dollar Tree. Let me know your favorites in the comments. Also, make sure you subscribe and thumbs up the video. I would appreciate it so much. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.